Hello, if you want to transfer your data from Sheet to BigQuery, you need to launch QTables add-on, go to Sheet to BigQuery, select your sheet, in my case this is a sheet called Profit, go choose your dataset, choose your table name, click Load My Data to BigQuery, wait a bit until it loads. It will not take long, I promise. While it's loading, you can change your name. Oh, it's loaded already. Okay, let it name will be Profit, and you can click here Test Dataset to see Live table inside your BigQuery. Okay, I followed the link and now I will see the table I've just loaded and created from Google Sheet. And here I can go to Query in New tab, select asterisk, which means select all, click Run and see my table, which now is in BigQuery. You can notice that I have missed a column, I have missing rows, but my data just looks fine in BigQuery. Every field was detected automatically. So this one is integer, string, integer, etc.